Hello friends, is your engine running rough, misfiring, or struggling to start? If your obd2 scanner is showing the P0396 error code, it means there's an issue with the Camshaft Position Sensor B circuit on bank 2. Ignoring this problem can lead to poor acceleration, increased fuel consumption, and even engine failure. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0396 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. So what is P0396? The P0396 code stands for Camshaft Position Sensor B circuit range performance on bank 2. The Camshaft Position Sensor, or CMP, helps the ECU determine the camshaft's position and timing to optimize fuel injection and ignition timing. If the ECU detects an irregular signal from the Camshaft Position Sensor B on bank 2, it triggers the P0396 code, causing misfires, rough idling, and hard starts. Now, let's go over the common symptoms of P0396. You might notice the check engine light is on, your engine misfires or hesitates, you have hard starting or stalling issues, rough idling and unstable RPMs, and decreased acceleration and fuel efficiency. If your car is showing these signs, it's time to locate and inspect the Camshaft Position Sensor. So, where exactly is this sensor? The Camshaft Position Sensor B for bank 2 is usually found in these areas, on the cylinder head near the camshaft, either at the front, rear, or top of the engine. It could also be near the timing chain or belt cover, close to the timing components. Another spot is behind the valve cover, mounted near the intake or exhaust camshaft. Lastly, it could be on the intake camshaft on the bank 2 side, especially in dual camshaft engines. And here's a little tip. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine opposite to cylinder 1. Make sure to refer to your service manual for the exact placement. Alright, let's talk about some common causes of the P0396 error code. First, a faulty camshaft position sensor. The sensor might be defective or worn out. Next, wiring issues or loose connections. Broken or corroded wires can cause signal problems. Another cause could be timing chain or belt misalignment. If stretched or misaligned, it can disrupt sensor readings. We also have ECU malfunction or software issues. The ECU may need reprogramming. And finally, reluctor wheel damage. If dirty or misaligned, it can affect sensor performance. Now, how do we fix P0396? Step 1. Scan for additional trouble codes using an obd2 scanner. Step 2. Locate and inspect the camshaft position sensor on bank 2. Step 3. Check all wiring and connectors for damage or loose connections. Step 4. Test the sensor's voltage and resistance using a multimeter. If faulty, replace it. Step 5. Inspect the timing chain or belt for proper alignment. Step 6. Update or reflash the ECU software if necessary. And Step 7. Clear the error code using an obd2 scanner and take a test drive. The P0396 code can cause serious engine issues if left unchecked. If your car is misfiring, running rough, or struggling to start, make sure to inspect and replace the camshaft position sensor if needed. For more car troubleshooting guides, watch these next videos: P0088, fuel rail, system pressure, too high, and P0089, fuel pressure regulator performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.